Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi and you can stalk me right here. I'm joking. And if you are new here, I would really appreciate it if you would go down below and hit the subscribe button, and while you're there, just go ahead and smash the like button too. You know, I really would appreciate it. And don't forget to put on your post bell notification, that way you can be notified every time I upload. Okay guys, so today we are working in the Sarian palette with Estate Cosmetics, the Venice Fling palette. Okay, you guys see this? It's so cute. It's not new, but it is new to me. My wonderful friend Jessica Urson, I'm going to link her channel down below. Also, I'm going to also link right here the video where I unboxed this little guy right here, because my wonderful friend Jessica sent me some other goodies too, and I feel like you guys should just know that she's an awesome person like that. So also so I made this look right here with this wonderful palette using quite a bit of the shades. I was really impressed with the shade Venice Fling, and I love the shade Toasty. It kind of just blends out so easy, and you know, it's kind of a hit or miss with this brush. It's a JH.
It's a JH, I think 80. Does it say 80 or 30? Yeah, it says 30. Okay.
So it's a JH 30, and some of the shadows that I use with that brush are just, it just is not good. But the shade Toasty, it like just blended out like a dream. And see, like most mattes aren't that creamy, most, not all. Regardless, I loved this palette, and or at least the shades that I've had a chance to use, and it's just so pretty. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look with the Sarian Venice Fling palette, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm doing like the quickest of quick edits and looks and tutorial and everything, all of that, because it just so happens to be Christmas Eve. And you know what? I want to spend time with my family like everybody else. And let's just ignore my eyebrows. They were horrendous that day. I don't know what happened, but sometimes my eyebrows get a little bit wild, and I was like using a new product that I don't really use, and I was just like testing it out, but it got wild. Yeah. Look, my brother's in the background laughing at me, and I hope that you guys heard that, because this is what kind of behavior I have to deal with. Okay, everybody say hi, Spencer.
What up, y'all? Hopefully they heard me.
Okay, so it, like, I went back and forth a few more times than what I do show, just so you guys know, to like make it a little bit more color impactful, I guess. I can't, the words are eluding me today, guys. Okay, they're eluding me. And also I wanted to finish my struggle eye off camera just to make sure I could get a good plan, you know, going for you guys. But I don't normally do halo eyes just because I feel like it's too much work while I'm going to work or something like that. So I can't be bothered. But today I didn't go to work, so it's all good. And this is like something that I love to do, to be honest. I love using my finger to blend out the concealer in the middle of a halo eye. I just feel like it makes it so much
easier. It makes it so much more natural looking, and the blend is so quick. And just so you guys know, I did go back in with a brush for nothing other than making sure that it's right up to the edge, so there's not like a little gap or anything like that. Even though you could accent it with something else, a different color or something. I guess I could have done that with the gold that's in that palette. That palette is so pretty. And if you guys want to see me do another or different kind of look using the other shades in this palette, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try and do something extra and completely different than this, okay? And this shade right here it's so pretty, but it's definitely not my premier, who am I? Okay, the first, my first choice for a brow bone highlight, but that's like the only one that they had in the palette. So you guys should also let me know in the comments down below if you have ever tried those LA Girl Shockwave eyeliners. I love them, and they have so many like really pretty shades. And just in case you might have missed it, because I say we're doing this quick, okay? I did put the purple shade from the palette on top of that, so it would be like a metallic-y shiny kind of look, not for like the color wasn't paying off very well, basically. And this is the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and it's in the shade Charcoal, in case you're curious. It's like a gray, not like a black, even though it looks kind of black right here, to be honest. It's always strange watching myself back. I'm like, what are you doing half the time? And when I'm talking to you guys, oh my goodness, I just would be like, shut up, bitch, what are you talking about? If you're like one of my YouTube friends, please let me know if you guys are like that, because I feel mighty alone here. Yeah, curl lashes, do mascaras. But I'm about to talk to you guys, so I'll see you later.
So this is my Bailey Sarian and Venice Fling look. Okay, I feel very much like Miss Sarian, honey. I feel like I need to get some skulls in the background. I feel like I need to, I don't know, what does Bailey do? She just goes and like Google's murder mystery things. You know what? I have been watching The Innocent Man on Netflix, so maybe I could go watch that. Feel more like Miss Sarian, honey. I think everybody needs a little bit more Sarian, a little less Kardashian in their lives. Maybe, possibly, who knows? I'll probably just watch her last video that came out. But if you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button. And if you haven't yet, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button. You can go ahead and hit this little cute my face, you know, like right here. And go ahead and subscribe that way. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.